Hi friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I have a look of Digibyte. As you know, the Digibyte is a new cryptocurrency. It's very fastly moving upward in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, the change of Digibyte on the screen, absolutely positive, only positive change occurred in Digibyte from the previous last 1 week. About positive, only move upward, not fast down friends. That is why I decide to make a video on Digibyte, which will make you rich in this April month if you invest in Digibyte friends. As you can see here, the Digibyte price half is about 0.13383 USD dollar is the current price of Digibyte, which is not high amount. If you want to buy, so absolutely it's the best time to buy and make a good amount of profit, because they are only move upward friends, not fast down. That is why it's the best for investment friends. If you look, the change occur and Digibyte is about last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week change is also and positive friends. The market rank of the Digibyte is about 69, which are very fastly move in the cryptocurrency market friends. As if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly friends, remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates. Kindly click the subscribe button right now and like is very important for me. Show your love with a like and subscribe friends. As you can see here, the change occur in Digibyte in the last 1 hour is about 0.6% change occur in Digibyte in the last 1 hour friends, and the high price of Digibyte in the last 1 hour is about 0.1348 USD dollar is the high price in the period of last 1 hour friends. Now let's see for the last 1 day price prediction. Let's see and trying to detect the next target of Digibyte, what's going next in a Digibyte. As I told you in the start of this video, that Digibyte only jumps upward if you look the every change occur in a Digibyte, so only they change channels and move upward friends, as you can see here friends. The change occur in Digibyte in the last 1 day as about 7.51 USD percent change occur in Digibyte in the last 1 day friends, and the high price is about 0.1381 USD dollar is the high price of Digibyte in the last 1 day friends. Absolutely a good change occur in Digibyte. Change is positive, price is high, and this is why I suggest for all of you that please invest in a Digibyte friends. Now let's try to direct the next target of Digibyte. As you can see here, if you look the technical analysis of Digibyte, so absolutely they are moving upward friends. As you can see here, now that is a support level and that is a resistance level friends. So as you can see here, they continue as travel on this way, take a jump, after a jump fast down, and now they are in the jumping mode. As you can see here, now they are in the jumping mode friends. As you can see here, they move upward. I think they move this they break the resistance level, and after breaking the resistance level, they again take a falls down, and after a some falls down, after of some falls, they again take a jump and move the another resistance level friends. So what's your opinion about Digibyte? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about Digibyte. Thank you so much for watching this video.